It sucks. What's up, guys? It's rainy over here, and I just have Zoe outside for the morning right now, and she doesn't really enjoy the rain. Not that I blame her. Yeah, I'm probably gonna turn the camera off now because well, it's raining. Hey Al, how you feel today?
Yeah, better.
How's your leg though? Like your knee?
Fine.
Huh?
I mean, it hurts, but I'm exhausted.
So everybody's kind of just hanging out. Allison took off from school today, and my other sister's at school, and my dad's at work, and I don't know what it said.
Professional OR.
Maybe. And so everybody's kind of just hanging out, chilling for today. So Allison obviously was getting a little bored, so we're gonna play some Mario Kart Wii, and
It had to be.
let's go.
That was good.
That was pretty good, right? Super Mario. All right, that just ruined it. Yeah.
You suck butts.
Thanks, Al.
It doesn't want to add me. Unless you're the one that needs to be added.
Oh yeah, I'm the first player. Sorry. So, oh wait, no, you added in first. That's why. Go back.
No, too bad.
No, I wanted to be the top.
You suck.
Whatever.
I call Yoshi.
Oh, alright, no, I want Mario anyway.
Does my leg look fat to you?
Looks like a lot of stuff on it.
Yeah.
What is all that?
Well, we have
What is that thing?
what? That is that thing.
That's a good name for it. That is that thing. We're winners! Actually, actually, we're kind of not. Look at us, we're all the way down here in 10th and 11th place.
We started in like for a second.
I have 2 points, you have 1. Don't be sad.
Get out of my face.
Get glad. No! And we're out in the rain again. I really hate this weather. Because, like, one day it's hot, not really hot, but warm, where it's like enough for capris and shorts and the t-shirt. Then the next day it's like okay. And then now today it's like rainy and cold. And yeah, it sucks. This weather really does suck. I don't understand it. Look at this puddle. And Zoe, you can go around it, you know. Check out this awesome dinner I made with my mom. You can't really see it there. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Tomorrow my younger sister has a cup game, and I might be hanging out with my friend Carlos. Probably record a couple covers for a few songs that we were talking about doing, and then it's depending on if he's free. If he's not, then I don't know what I'm doing. So thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.